What's up, everybody? Oh, I can hear myself. What's going on? Oh, behind me. Let me turn that off. There, we can do that. My hair is something else. This is a bit of an imp stream. This is unscheduled. At least we know the sound is working. I moved my camera from here, was here, to here. It was here before, which is weird to think, but now it's here. I don't know if it's better. We shall see. Anyways, we're learning Godot. And so, with that being said, we are. Oh, that was loud. I'm going to turn down the music down to like 40. I'm not going to have any music on my end. Because I got to listen. Unfortunately, I can't well, I could, but I'll probably lose my access to it. I'm using gamedev.tv. So I'm going to be using that to learn. So this is just going to be like a chill imp stream, game dev stream, which I'm gonna announce here. Chill game dev stream. Not talking much, but will be learning. So come hang out. So come and hang out on Twitch. Boom. There we go. Oops, we forgot everyone. There we go. That's better. Boom. Chill. All right, so let's get this lesson going. We're working through gamedev.tv. Just a second. I'm gonna mute my mic. Oh, why am I? Okay, just a second. Mic. There, I think that'll be all right. Just some chill music as we do this. Always 1080p. I hate when they do auto. Okay, let's do this. Boom. All right. This is a boring lecture. This one. This is a boring lecture for people watching because we're not working on the the project game so much. We're learning parent and child relationships. So let's go. Okay, so we gotta rename this one to parent player. This one's gonna be child player. Like so. So right now, this is not a child of anything other than level 1. So, but we want to make it a child of this parent player. So we're going to click on it and drag it to it. And there, you can see the relationship now. So just to show that this is a child, if you delete this, they both delete. Are you sure? Yes. They're gone. Control Z brings them back. That's the undo button. Button. Fun fact, this instructor used to live in Japan. He's from Turkey. Okay, so if we looked at the transform, so if we click on this and we come over to the right menu, transform, with the position, it's 0, 0, x0, y0. Oh, I should do this. Sorry. You can't see what I'm doing. I'm like shy, but you don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so this side, from this one, this is, if you're going up, this is negative, this is positive on the Y. If you're going left to right, going right is positive, going left is negative. So if I change the X, so right now it's 100 pixels by 100 pixels by 100 pixels. But if I put a minus sign in front of the X, this one should drop to about here. So let's see if that works. So minus 100, and it does. Boom. Interesting. Yeah, the child moved to. It says 0, 0. That's weird because the parent says 100. Oh. So the parent to the child, the parent is always 0, 0 for the child. So here we have the parent is 100 by 100, but the child is 0, 0 because the parent is always the anchor. Got it. Oh, the yucca. So if we duplicate the child, say duplicate, and then we duplicate again. If we move the child, sorry, let's reset that. Wait, if we move, I have to go back a bit. Oh. Okay, so now if we, let's say we move the parent. Why is it, I clicked on the parent. It keeps putting, why does it keep doing that? I'm trying to click on the parent. It keeps giving me a child. What is happening here? Sorry. What? Oh, because it was already, he's already moved it. See now, boom, boom, boom. So now that's what we're looking for. Boom, 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 boom. So if we move this, there we go. So now that's how that works. Wait, how did he do? Wait. Okay, so we don't need these. Boom. Yep. Okay. On the child. Boom. Boom. Okay. Wait, sorry, I was trying to do something else here. There we go. Sorry, I'm just trying to figure some stuff out here. That is all. So you can individually change the child, but if you change the parent, then the child changes too. Okay, we're going to the parent node. What did he go to? What did he do there? Oh, he went somewhere. Visibility. And then he went to modulate. And then he went to HSV. Let's see what happens here. Ooh, so this, you can see, I paused it. Come on. All right. And then it gets a red tint. We can do that. We can change it to whatever color we like. There's a nice pink. Pink hue. Ooh, hot pink. Oh, it looks purple though. We can make it a little translucent. Oh, interesting. Playing with color. It's like LGB. Is that what it's called? RGB. RGB. Boom. Alright, cool. But now we'll just reset it. Wait, what? How do you do that so quick? Alright, he's using quick keys. So you went to the sprite nodes, 2D, create, and then he, right? And then, oh yeah, then that's how you put it in the texture, in the icon here. Interesting. 5 levels. Okay, we gotta go. Okay. Okay, so we have to create 5 level deep parent child. So right now we have 1 level deep. So this child needs a child, and so on. So we're gonna go deep. So let's create a sprite 2D. We'll make it a child of that. I'm not clicked on it. See, this is one thing you have to be clicked on. I wish it would just stay until you click on something else. That's like not clicking off of it. So now, oh, why is it there though? But you see it moves on that. So what is this transform? Is there, because yeah, that's the parent. So now we can do this. So let's demonstrate this. Right? And then let's create another. What are these ones? Rigid body. We can create, now we'll create a rigid body. 2D. Rigid body 2D. Create. This node has no shape, so can't collide or interact. That's fine. We will fix that. But first, we want to oh wait, player has a sprite 2D and a collision. Okay, so let's just duplicate this. A duplicate. And then we'll make it child of that, right? There it is. Okay. From 1, 2, 3. Then we will we'll add another sprite 2D because I don't feel like making. It's late. We're not gonna make sprite 2D. We're gonna do that. We need to give it a texture. Let's give it a sorry. That's gross. Excuse me. Here we go. So what we have a sprite 2D, but it doesn't have a texture. So let's give it the icon so that we can just boom. There, and then that should move that, and then that should move these 3, and then that should move these 4, and that should use them. Oh, oops, and then that should move them all. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more. We need one more. Ding, ding, down, down. One more sprite 2D. And we'll make it a child, but this one will give the UF bow. See, I clicked on it, but then it like goes off. That's so annoying. 2D. It actually doesn't have a shape, but that's fine. And let's go to the transform, reset it to there. Boom, that's 5 levels deep. Actually, let's delete that. Yeah. And let's duplicate this. Let's get rid of that. But let's make it a child of that. Because that way it has collision, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 levels. And then boom. Now we're gonna play with them. So watch. Let's see what we can do. Self-modulate. What is texture? Can we? I don't know. What's material? I guess that's something else. There's lots of stuff. Let's just play with the visibility. Visibility off, and then they all go away. So, what's raw do? Oh. Just V. Okay. Let's do that. And then we'll do this one. Play with the scale on these. You can give it a 1.2. All right. And then we'll skew this one like that. And this one, what was that? Transform, right? Skew back that way. It's kind of breaking because that's always going to be 0, right? Actually, we should do this in reverse order. So this one, transform, I'm going to skew this way, and then this one, we will we'll modulate it. What? How come I can't change the color on that one? It doesn't have like the lighting scale. Oh, there it goes. It comes. Oh, because it's all the way this way. So we'll do this. And then we'll... Green. Yeah, cool. Then we can skew this one this way. Boom. Okay. I think that's good enough. We did it. I get it. I understand. I understand. We went 6. Oh wait, just a second. Why does this one size changes to rigid body 2 will be overrun by the physics engines when running. Change the size in children collision shapes instead. Oh, that's all right. So this is all we want in the end. This is all we want in the end. All right. I think we did it pretty good. It's important, parent-child. Next one is draw, order, and Z index. Well, we know Z index from. That's easy. He's calling it Z. So draw order. So draw order. Farthest back is higher up on this area. So if we put this behind the background, then the background's in front. But if you turn off the background, then you see it. But if you do this, put it here, and then I turn off. Oh wait, that's not a good way to show it. Nope. So we do this, we turn off the background, we can see it, but if we turn off the parent player, we don't see. Like, it doesn't change anything, essentially. I mean, there's a little thing indicating where it is, but if we do this, here, we turn off the background, it stays. But if we turn this off, of course, you won't be able to see it. But now, so that's that. That's pretty straightforward. Ordering tab. So let's just close this. Ordering. Z index. We know this from programming. Building websites. Okay, so that makes sense. So if the Z index is just 0, and on the background it will also be 0. See? Then this ordering here is going to be the order. So background will be farther back, and then the farther you go down will be farther more forward. But if we even though it's farther back, we change this to 1, then the background should jump on top of the UFO, which it does. And oh, what's it say? What does this say? We got a warning for that. Changing the Z index of a control only affects the drawing order, not the input event handling order. Yes. So that's just, we're just playing Mr. Computer. It's okay. That's right. Yeah, so that's the same as like building websites with CSS or whatever, just Z-index. Okay, we are. So the challenge he just gave me was to do what we just did, so we don't need to do it. We already did it. We're done. We are done. So he's just saying we always want the, in this case, he wants to just do -100, so it's always at the back, no matter what. Because when you start adding new things, this will, like, you're not going to accidentally. But it doesn't really matter because you could just go up if you really wanted to with all the other ones. So it is what it is. Oops. Yes. So the blue color is the collision shape. So he's just going over because of the ordering. You see the collision, but you could put it behind it. No, behind it like that. It still does the same thing. And there it is there. If you click the little eyeball, but it's helpful to see that you know it has collision. Because if you don't know, if you have to look here and then this is just quicker. Oh, it's got collision. So you do that. Cool. Okay, the next lesson, intro to scripting. This is gonna be the hot stuff here. And we're just using the Godot scripting. I don't think we're not using C# or anything yet, so I don't think. There is a course on it, which I'll probably try at a later date, in case we're wondering. Yes. So what's scripting? Code. Self-plan. Pianola. Okay. So there's a few scripting languages of Godot. GD script, Godot script. So if you want to use like C#, you got to use a different code editor IDE, essentially probably like Visual Studio Code, VS Code or whatever. But GD script you can use right in Godot, so it's much more convenient. You can use C and C++ too. You can mix the different languages. So GD script is slow, and if you have like high octane movements or high octane loads, then you probably want to use C# or C++. C++. But you can mix them, so you could write it the stuff that doesn't matter with GD script because it's integrated, and then used for the heavy loads you can use C# or C or C++ or whatever. So that's cool. So we're going to create a level 1 script. So we're going to use it level 1. So he said make sure you have the right node selected. I know I made this mistake on a different tutorial. So you make sure you have correct nodes selected. Otherwise it's a nightmare. Can use this icon. Right click. Okay, interesting. All right. Mm-hmm. She's a... There we go. GD script. Oh, right here. Oh, now we know it has a script attached to it right there. You can see. Oh, there it is. Or you can hit here, I think. Okay, so okay, so we're gonna rename this back to player number 1. We gotta attach a script to it. So boom, here we go. Player.gd script inherits rigid body, and I guess that's fine, right? Name is valid. We'll create a new script file template. Default space templates for node. The default Godot cycle methods. Object empty. No, I guess that's fine. Oh, what happens if you do that? Okay. Create that. And there we go. We have the script. And then now we have this. We go, that's like the same defaults. So yeah, let's see what he does here. Looks fine. Oh, wait a minute. I think we screwed that up. So here, let's detach the script. I think we're supposed to do it here. Attach the script. Player, well, same thing though, right? Cancel. What? Close. How do we get rid of this? See, I already made a mistake. Close that, I guess. Okay. Player. We're here. Player. We're gonna attach a script. File exists, it will be reused. Okay, well, whatever, that's fine. Boom. I guess that's fine. Now if we go here, it doesn't have it attached here, but here it does. So interesting. Wait a minute. Why mine doesn't? I guess we could just do that. Same thing. Okay, well, whatever. It worked out in the end. We're gonna learn to code, apparently. Learning to fly. GD script. We're focused on level script. Wait, how come I don't have that? Oh, there, that's why, there it is. I wasn't clicked on the node. See, you always have to be clicked on the node. That's how you make a comment. Okay, he's teaching comments, but that's fine. We know how to work comments. He's making comments. We don't need. We got our function. Funk it down. Get down. Param. Indenting is very important in Godot. Remember that. See, they're very uppity about their tabbing. always hello world. They didn't. Hello world. Hello. Hello world. So we should see hello world when we run it here. See hello world. Good for debugging. So when the game starts, so if you run here, it won't say. Mine did. Because I didn't, probably. Mine still runs. Wait, why is his not? This just a second. Oh, because you have to hit this button. That's right. It should not say hello world. There, see? Doesn't say hello world. But if you're on this one, just this scene, it'll just say hello world. Gotcha. This one always runs it, so it's not. Pretty sure that's what he did. All right, that's not bad for today. Should we do one more? Maybe we do one more. We'll do one more because it's already almost 11 p.m. And I was not planning on doing this, but let's do one more. I'm getting tired though. So we're learning numbers and operations. Challenge. Okay. Okay. Create a new function. Okay, so we got to create one that says test. Okay, so we're gonna call this in the ready, supposedly print So we're creating a print. This is a test, right? Boom. Okay, and then instead of the pass, we're calling underscore test. Right? I think that, and then if we do this, this is a test. It shows up. Boom. Did it. That's how you code, people. Let's see. Let's see if rigid body. Rigid body. Process function. I don't know what that does. We just made our own function. All right, he's just going through making the function, which we did and it works, so. Oh, I guess we don't need that. We can do that. Should be the same thing. Boom, this is test, see? A colon. He says colon because he's not a native English speaker. Okay. So if we just want to create an empty function, we can just write pass, like we're going to use it later, but we don't know what. We can just do pass. And then we could just do, I wonder if this is like VS Code. Nope. Nope. Oh, sorry, wrong button. It does. You can just do that. We just wrote this is a test. He wrote this is a test function from the player script. Single quotes. I like the double quotes. I like the double quotes. Modern day people like the single quotes, but I like the double. And I guess C++ people or C people like the double, so. Oh. He's doing, what's it called? Cantillation, where he does, this is a test. From me to you. Right, so boom, boom. This should say, this is a test from me to you. This is, oh, because like, let's even make this even further. Give us space there like that and do another plus in between. And because now it, like, there's no space, but let's do this. Now it says, this is a test from me to you. The space. Boom. Oh, yeah. Number. We learned strings. Now number. Plus 10. A float. .10 is a float. Why? 10. Pass. Hello world, pass. .5. It'll print a float. Plus 10. I wonder if that will work. 20. It adds. It does add it. Nice. Divided by 4. 12. Modulo. Do you have modulo 12? Let's try that. 10,010. Interesting take on Dorothy. So he's just doing like printing numbers, which we just did. We've been printing, like he's doing 5 plus 3 now. Eight. Minus 5 times minus 3. 15 does it. Perfect. Minus 15. Minus 15. You cannot divide 50 by 12. That's correct. Did not give you a float. So to get the float, you gotta do that. Mm. Satitu. Ten. 2 plus 3 is 5. It should be 0. Maths. Does the order of operations 3 times 5 and then okay, that's good to know. $25. What's up, Albert? We're learning some coding. I can't show you what I'm learning because it's a paid course. And I want to keep the paid course, so he's just going through numbers like this, like adding things. Oh, interesting. So you can also add like this. Let me show you. Oh, come on. I want to watch for free. I know. That would be unethical, though. That would be unethical. So essentially he's doing something like this. So a string is like words, right? But you can actually add numbers like this. 2 plus 2 is plus, and then to a string is 4. Like this. And then that should be, what's gonna happen here is 2 plus, oh, we need a space here. Try that again. Reload. So you can see right here, 2 plus 2 is 4. Even though we stringified it to a string. Which just seems like redundant and not really necessary. But sometimes, I guess, if you have to make a number a string, you can do that. That's cool. How you doing, Paul? I just finished this lecture. What's going on, man? How are you doing? Sorry, I just listened to the end here. I jumped the gun. We're gonna go over variables next, which would be like var or const. I wonder if you do const in this. consts, you can. Oh, maybe you can't. So he's probably doing like const. What we'll call it number. Num. And then I don't know, does it do equal to here? Is 2 plus 2 plus 2. You can't. Oh, you can. And then maybe you call num print num or something here. Print num. So we should see. Let's just comment these out for now. We should see 4 down here. Let's see if 4 comes up here when we run this. 4. Boom. There it is. Isn't that groovy? So we could do something like this though. Like he did here. We are looking for. We're looking for 4. And then this is where you do str like that. Right? Why is this an error? Expected closing bracket. Oh yeah, because we need a closing one here. Sorry. I think that's what? Oh no, that's the wrong spot. We're expecting the closing bracket here. I think. What? Num isn't a constant expression. Oh, okay, then it's a var. That's right, it's not changing. So then it should be var. I guess. Because it changes. I wonder if you can use let. That's like JavaScript style. No. They don't have let, they use var. So if we do var, run it, we should, we are looking for 44. Because we forgot the space here. Looking for the number, let's change it for space, because we need the space there. Sorry. We are looking for the number 4. 4. There it is. And then you could be like this. Something like that. What? Oh yeah, I forgot the other plus. That should do it. Sorry. We are looking for the number 4. 4. Boom. So it's done right there. Okay. His pulpit's gone. I was trying to impress him. Did not. So we know variables, parameters, and arguments. So parallax background. Yeah, that's cool. We're gonna get to that at some point. So pretty good. I like this. I like this so far. Oh, you can't even see it because I had it on the wrong scene. Anyways, we'll just leave it like this for now. I'm tired. It's 11 p.m. It's time for me to call it a stream. I hope everyone who came out today supported me. Enjoyed that. Well, my voice enjoyed that. Maybe actually, you know what? I kind of want to play some games. But changing when you stream on 4 different platforms, you gotta like change the names and stuff. It's such a hassle. So plus tomorrow we're doing some more coding. But yeah. So come back tomorrow for some more coding. I don't know, because maybe if I have time, sometimes I like to do a lesson or two at lunch. So maybe we'll be at vector 2 and apply impulse tomorrow. Right. The next one is introducing variables, but like I just did, I think I got the variables down. I hope I could do that. So yeah, but we'll listen to it anyways, just because we want to do it. Oh, it looks like it might be warmer tomorrow, but yeah, pretty good. Anything else? I'm trying to think. No, I don't think so. But thanks everyone for coming out. Catch you next time. Take care. Bye bye.